So you will present, you will not do any mistake there, right? So that will better for
Yes,
me.
sir.
Okay. So I am opening networking concept PDF, power presentation, PPT, right? So see there networking. What first I have written? What is networking, right? Now person
Yes.
she is sitting in front of computer and she is telling today we are getting all information about world. Now why? The question she is asking why we are getting all information about. Suppose what is happening in the USA, she is able to know by a computer. Right? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
she is asking why this information I am able to access from my computer. Now in right side you can see there is an answer. There is an answer in animation form also. I have kept this one so you can see the animation. Today we are getting all information about world. Why? Now she is saying because I have computer with internet connection. Understood? Why she is getting
Hmm.
all information
Yes,
about the
sir.
world? Because
Because of internet connection.
very good, very good. Right? Understood about the first one? What is networking? Right. Now
Yes.
second one, what is internet? Now second page, internet is a data sharing between client and server. Now you can see the picture of client and server. You can see the picture of client and server, right? Actually, what is client?
Yes, sir.
What is server? This is a computer. This
As-
is also a computer.
This is a computer.
Yes, but server is a big computer. Server is a big computer that can have much more data. But client, as I am using a computer, I can be a client. Understood? What is client and
Yes,
server?
sir.
Server can be a big
Server
computer
is can very big computer
that can store all
that
information. That
that
can
can
store all
complete
information, right?
also.
And you are the client. Suppose I am the client. I am using internet, so I can access data from the server. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now, internet is a
Yes,
data
sir.
sharing between the client and server. It works on different network concept. Now, what is network concept? What is internet you got? It's a data sharing between the client and
Yes,
server.
sir.
Data sharing between the client and
Client
server.
and server.
Internet you got all?
Server.
Yes. Now it
Yes,
works.
sir.
Now second line I am reading. It works on different network concept. Now what is different network concept? Those we will know that. Now I have something I have written down also. Client. Client is a computer where we can get data. Server.
We can be get
Yes.
data.
Yes.
We can get data.
A server. Server is a computer where we having much more data.
Get a data.
Yes. For example, Kirana store is a server. You can suppose Kirana store is a server and
Yes, sir.
you can be a
Yes,
client.
sir.
Understood? Client and server you understood. No
Yes,
confusion
sir.
about this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I can show this in animation form. So see the animation what I have kept in this one. So this one understood internet. We understood about the
Yes,
internet.
sir.
It works on different network concept. Now third page we will know that network. What is network? Network is a set of communicate two or more than
Communicate.
two
Then
objects.
to object. To object.
Now network is a setup. Not network is what setup to communicate two or more than two objects. Now for example I have given there three person are communicating talking means the three person are in network. Three person are in network. Now see
Network.
yes, there are three person. One is saying something, one two is listening. Two are listening, right?
Yes, sir.
So these three are in network. These three are in network. Understood?
Network.
Because they are
Yes.
communicating.
Network.
Because they are
Yes, sir.
communicating. They are communicating.
Communicating.
So network you understood, I think.
Communicating.
Now
Yes, sir.
those
Yes, sir.
communicating objects are called network. Are called network. Understood?
Their network.
Very good. Now
Two or
Network.
you
more
can
than
see
two object.
Yes, see in animation form, what animation I have given for this one.
Network.
Now you will try this like in your home. This I made. Now you will same thing you will try in your home to show this PPT. Understood? You will do same in
Yes,
the
sir.
home.
Yes, sir.
That like I have given you.
Yes, sir.
Even better you can do that. Understood? This animation how I have
Yes,
kept
sir.
Yes, sir.
the same you will represent in your home. Now network we understood. Now fourth phase we are learning. One example is given in this one.
Yes, sir.
Like,
Five computers are communicating. There are five computers. Four are computers. One is laptop. Four are computer and one is laptop. Right.
laptop.
Now communicating information means the five computers are in network. These five computers are in network.
Network.
Among this, these are in network. These are in network. Understood all?
Network. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now animation we want to know what is the animation I have given for this page. You can see, for example, five computers are communicating, sharing information means the five computers are in the network. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next phase we will know that the type of computer network. The network we understood, those communicating objects are called network. Now next one, type of network. Now you can see LAN is one kind of network concept, MAN is other kind of, and third one is the WAN, and fourth one is a PAN. What is LAN? Local area network. What is LAN? Local area
Local
net.
area network.
What is MAN?
Local area.
Metro. Second one,
Oh, sorry, sir.
metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network.
Network.
What is WAN? Wide area network.
Wide
Wide
area
area network.
network.
PAN. What is PAN? Personal area network.
Network.
Personal area
Network.
Understood. What are the concept of network? One is
Yes,
LAN,
sir.
second is MAN, third one is WAN, fourth one is PAN.
Pan.
Now we will individually I will explain about the LAN and MAN, WAN and PAN. Right? So what is
Yes,
LAN?
sir.
What is LAN? In computer network. LAN is a local area network. It is short area network. It can set up in a building having more than two computers. Now what is LAN? You can set a LAN network in your home. Suppose in your home you have three computers or two computers and more than two computers you have in your home. You can set up a LAN. Why you are setting LAN? Because I want to communicate these
With each other.
computers. I want to set a communication between these three computers. If you have three computers in your home, I want to set a LAN network among these computers, and this LAN network we can set, right? So
Yes,
LAN
sir.
network is what? This is a small area network. This is a short area network. Understood?
Network. Yes,
Understood?
sir.
You can set in your home. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we will see the animation what I have made in this one. By animation I want to see. Now types of computer network: LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN. Second. Okay. So what is LAN? LAN is a computer network, and animation by animation you also seen what is the LAN. Understood? Where you can
It
set
is
a LAN? Where you can set a
in
LAN?
our home.
In
In
our
our
home,
home, there.
in a your school, among the computer you have in your school. Suppose in your school there are 25 or 30 or 50 computers. I want to
Yes, sir.
communicate among these computers. So we need to set a LAN. We need to set a
Yes.
LAN.
Land.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. So LAN we can set up within a short area, within a building. Within a building. Now
Building.
next we will know that now picture of LAN network. See there is a picture for the LAN network. You can see there are 4 computer and 1 laptop. There are 4 computer and 1 laptop. And see there, this one is server. This one is server, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
these are the client. Suppose we will say this one laptop is a client, this computer 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 is a client. Now server, I told, this is a big computer where there are a lot of data. There are a lot of data, and
Data.
these data we can share, we can see on the client side on individual computer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
LAN, this like LAN you can set in a small building. Understood? Right.
Yes, sir.
Now we will see what is the animation. So we got the animation also. Now next we will know that.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
your screen sharing got off.
Okay, okay. Again I am sharing, don't worry. Now are you able to see the screen? Are you
Yes,
able to?
sir.
Yes, very good. Now next page we will know that page number 7. Now in detail we will know that what is LAN. In detail we will know that how the data is going from the one computer to other computer, how the data are going from one computer to other computer, how the data are sharing in between the different computer, right? So see the LAN concept
Yes, sir.
I have made there. It is a small area network. In detail we are knowing what is LAN. It is the small area network. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now group of
Yes, sir.
computers communicating together. Now group of computer communicating together. What is this? This in this there are more than 2 computers. There are more than 2 computers. Can be 3,
Two
can be 4,
computer.
more than 2 computers, right?
Yes.
Now
Yes, sir.
third point I have written, we need to provide one hub. For this setup, what is the tool you need to provide? Now I have written
Hug.
hub. One, we need a hub. Now see this hub picture. This is middle, in mid there is a hub, right?
Yes, sir.
Or can be a switch. This can be a hub, can be a switch, or 2 or more computer. Now there I set only 2 computer. I set there only 2 computer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So to set up a
Yes, sir.
LAN network, what we need? We need 2 or more than 2 computers.
Two
We
computers.
need 2 or more than 2 computers. Understood?
Two computers.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you have 3 computers, not a problem. 4, not a problem. But at least we need 2 computers to set a LAN network.
Computer.
Understood?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see a data sending by this computer. Suppose in this time, this is the server. This is the server and data is sending by this computer. And who is receiving? This computer is receiving the data. Now in between what we need? We need a switch or hub. We need a switch or hub. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So by the animation we want to know that. What is the animation behind this one? Yes. So we are knowing by the animation. See this. Data sending by this computer and getting by this computer. You are seeing this animation. See the data. See that this data going. Are you able to see? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
in second time, this is the server. Now this computer is sending the data to this computer by this hub or switch, right? Now see, understood? Or again I will show this page. Once more I
Sir.
want to show this page how the data
Yes,
is
sir.
going from one computer to other computer, or you can say how the data is going from the server side to the client side. Again I want to show that. Now see, data is sending by this computer, it means this is the server and this is the client, right? This computer is receiving the data. Understood? Now second time this computer will now see this computer will be the server and this computer will be the client. So in this you are seeing that this computer is sending the data to this computer. Understood? What is the concept of LAN?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, please share the screen again off.
Yes, I am sharing. Now you are seeing the screen. Are you seeing a screen?
No, sir.
Still
Yes, sir.
you are seeing the
No,
screen?
sir.
No. Wait.
I'm seeing your screen, sir. Your
Okay,
picture
okay.
is coming, but the screen
Uh,
sharing.
okay. Wait. Now you are able to see, right?
Coming, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we got the concept of LAN network. LAN concept we got, local area concept we got. What is the local area network? How the computer is sharing the data among their network, among their network or among the computers in a particular network, right? Now next phase we will know that now 8 number. Now man we are explaining now. Man computer network. Man means what? Man is a metropolitan area network. What is man? Man is a
Metropolitan
metropolitan
area
area network.
network.
It is a group of computers in metropolitan area communicate. Please please don't make any sound, please. If you want to ask any question, you can ask. I will stop, then you can ask.
Raise your hand. Then raise your hand.
No, hand I can't see now because I have shared the screen, right? So you can say if you have any question. Please keep quiet for a
Okay,
few
sir.
minutes. Man.
Okay, sir.
What is man? Man is a metropolitan area network.
Metropolitan
It is a
system.
group of computers in metropolitan area communicating, sharing information among the computers. Now metropolitan. Suppose your city is a metropolitan city. Now in a metropolitan city, there are thousands or more than lakhs you can say computers are in your city, right? In a metropolitan
Sir.
there are many computers. Now these all computers are sharing data among among the computers in a metropolitan area network. Now suppose please unmute, mute your sound is coming. Please mute your sound. Yes, thank you. Now metropolitan area network is what? In this there are many computers. Suppose Mumbai, I am giving you one example for a Mumbai. Now by the picture you can see this is a Mumbai picture, and you are seeing there are many computers in this city. There are many computers, and the network you can see there are net of the network. There are net of the network, right? You are seeing by this line. By this line you are seeing these computers in this building. There are computers, and these computers have a network, having a network. What is which kind of network this computer having? Man network having. This computer having man network. What is man network? Metropolitan area network. Understood? Right.
Yes.
Now picture of metropolitan with need diagram of the communicating among the computer. Now pictures of metropolitan with need diagram of communication among the computer. Now you can see by this picture there are many computers, and these all computers are sharing information among them, right? So these
Yes,
I
sir.
will see by the animation. What is the animation I have kept with this? So this like you can see the man network. In man we will know different concept of man. Now see by the picture I made understand make understand about the what is the metropolitan area network. Now you can see this is the can be a LAN, this can be a LAN, this can be a LAN. So there are in this there are many computers. This one network, this is one network, this is LAN network, this is one network, this is LAN network, this is also a LAN network, this is also a LAN network, and this LAN network communicating each other via the metropolitan area network. Understood? This LAN network are communicating by the setting of the metropolitan area network. Understood? By picture
Yes,
you
sir.
can understand this is LAN, this is LAN, this is LAN, this is LAN, and this LAN
Yes,
together
sir.
communicating data by the metropolitan area network, by the MAN, by the MAN. Understood? It it means that
Man.
metropolitan MAN is what? The yes gone. Wait again. Screen sharing gone. Wait one more.
Sir, again and again, Kanhaiya starting the screen sharing, sir. That's
Hello,
why your
Ritesh.
screen sharing get off.
Yes, sir.
Why Kanaya? Why you are
Hello,
doing this?
Ritesh.
Yes, sir.
Kanaya, you fool, what are you doing in class?
Don't do
You
no.
fool.
Kanaya was first finish this one, then you can do that. Not a problem. Kanaya, let I will first finish it. Then you can do that. Not a problem.
Sir, he is sharing
Okay.
your screen only.
Uh, don't show your screen. Later you
Yes,
can show.
sir.
Don't wait for few minutes. I will say you. If you want to share your screen, I can
He is
also.
mad, sir. What are you doing?
Don't do that.
Mad is.
Okay. Are you now able to see a screen? Yes. Now I have shared again the
Yes.
screen. Yes, very good. Now this series I am recording, so don't do any mistake, right? This can be seen by anyone in your school. Don't do that. If I will allow you to share, then you can share, not a problem, right? Understood? Are you getting or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. We are
Don't
getting.
mistake, because this is
Yes, sir. We are
this.
getting, sir.
Yes, I am recording your videos, right? Don't do any mistake. Yes, I will allow to share, then you will do that. Don't worry for it. First listen me, right? Now see, this is a metropolitan area. It means in a metropolitan area there are many LAN networks. There are many LAN networks. Understood all?
Very loud network.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now the main concept of MAN, we will know that. What is MAN concept? It is the metropolitan area network, group of computers communicating together. It is a group of LAN. What I told earlier, what is it? It is a group of LAN, right? In this there are many
Yes, sir.
LAN. There are many LAN. We need to
Land.
provide one hub, switch, router. Among these three, anyone you can provide. Hub you can provide, switch you can provide, router you can provide. Now router is the good one. Router is the good one. So router having some intelligence. So it is compared to this switch and hub, router is good in this case. Router is good, and other is
Good.
the other are two and more computers and Ethernet cable. What we need? Ethernet cable,
Yes.
computers, and one router. One router to set up this MAN network. To set up this MAN network. Understood? Understood all?
Yes.
No,
Yes, sir.
no confusion about this? Very good. Now we will know the animation what I have given in this one. We will know by the animation LAN concept, and what is it is a metropolitan area network, group of computers communicating together. It is a group of LAN. We need to provide one hub, switch, router, two and more computers and Ethernet cable. Right? Now next page we will know that page number 11. Now by this animation you will understand what is the MAN. Now see, there are two LAN, one is up and one is down. There are two LAN and one router in between, and this LAN, this two LAN, one LAN is this one LAN is this one, and this LAN is these two LAN communicating each other. It means that in this LAN there are two computers, in this LAN there are two computers, in this LAN can be more than two computers. I have kept only two computers, right? Right. In this also there are two computers. There can be more than two computers. There can be more than two computers. Now these two LAN can communicate by MAN network. By MAN network. What we need in this router we need. What we need? Router. A router is needed in this case. Understood all? Yes, your voice is not coming. Now say.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
there are
sir.
two computers in
Yes,
this
sir.
LAN. There are two computers in this LAN, and these two LAN are communicating among these two LAN by the router. By the router, right? And
Yes.
this we will know by the animation. See by the animation how they are sharing data. Now data, this computer is sending data and receiving by this computer. And now this computer is sending data and receiving by this computer. Understood? Now once more I want to show what is the MAN network. Now see, the data is going from this computer to this computer. Understood? And this computer sending data to this computer. Understood? How the data are sharing among this MAN network. How the data are sharing among this MAN network. Understood? Now next we will know that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see WAN network. The third one I have taught you WAN network. What? Wide area network. Wide area network. Now what is WAN computer network? Now one is a wide area network. One is a wide area network. What is one? Wide area network. Wide area network. It is a group of MAN LAN. Now in this one network, there are two network. There are two network. One is called MAN network. Other is called LAN network. Now in this one, there can be MAN network, can be LAN network. Understood? There can be the more than one LAN. There can be more than one MAN. Understood? So network of computer, it is network of computer. It in one country or group of country or whole world. Now this where you can set up this network. Where you can set up this network. Now this network you can set up in a world. In a world. Now in this network there can be more than one country. There can be more than one country. Now suppose you want to get the information of Australia to America. So which network you need to set? WAN network. Which network you need to set? WAN network you need to set. Understood all? This is
Yes, sir.
this network you can set among two country or more than two country. Even you can set up this network in a world. In a world you can set this network. Right? Understood? Now down there is a picture. So understand this one also. There is a LAN. There is a LAN. There is a LAN. There is a LAN. And these LAN are sharing data by the internet. By the internet. Understood? So this can be by the LAN network. By the WAN. Sorry, not LAN. Can be the WAN network. WAN network. This is the WAN network. Understood? Wide area network where we can set this
Yes, sir.
among two country or more than two country or within a world you can set up, within a world you can set up. Understood? No confusion about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Now
No, sir.
yes, now by the animation we will know that how the one area network is sharing information among the computer, how the one area network is working among the computer among the country having different computers, right? Now see, there is a LAN.
Computer.
There is a LAN. In this LAN there are two computers. Can be more than two computers. In this LAN there are two computers. I have kept only two computers. In every LAN you can set many computers. Understood? And now
Yes, sir.
this is the third LAN. In this LAN also we have kept only two computers. You can set more than two computers. And this is the fourth LAN. In this I have set two computers. Now in this LAN, now see this LAN 3 and 4 LAN within the man 2. These two LAN is in the man 2, means metropolitan area network 2, and this two LAN is in are in man 1. This is the man, this together, this LAN 1, this LAN 2 are together with a LAN, with a man 1. These two LAN are in man network, and in a man first network, and these two LAN are in the man 2. Understood? And this man means metropolitan area, and this metropolitan area are communicating via this wide area network, Understood? It means that in a one, how many network can be? Can be a man, can be a LAN, can be more than one LAN, can be more than one man. Understood? All. Understood all or not? In this there are many LAN, there are many man. Understood? All. Now we will see this one by the animation. By the animation we will see that. Are you listening or not? Say in between yes sir, yes sir. Otherwise I will say you are sleeping. Now see this one by the animation. Now this computer is sending data to this man 2. This man 1 sending data to man 2, and this man, in this man 2, this computer is getting data. Again I will show this picture. See. Able to see how data is going? Harsraj not answering.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now once more I will show you this
Yes,
one.
sir.
How the data is going. See, the data is sending by this man LAN 2, and this going to the LAN 3 computer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood all?
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you want to say? Now we have finished the network concept. I will ask some question to you. What did you got anything or not got? Right. I will revise these all things. Understood? This is the last stage. Thanks for the watching networking the end. Right. So you no need to go. Wait, I will revise this all. This all I will revise you. Now see what is networking. Networking is what we are in networking. What we are seeing, two computer and more computer are sharing information. In networking is what? Two and more computer are sharing data, are communicating. What is networking? Two computer and more than two computer are sharing information. This process is called networking. No confusion about this, right? Gone or not?
Yes, sir.
Says
No,
network.
sir.
No, sir. No confusion.
Yes. So networking is what? In this networking, we are seeing the computers sharing data among themselves. They are sharing data. One computer sharing data to the other computer. This is called networking. No confusion.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the need of
No.
networking? Because we need to share data. Suppose I have a computer. What data I have, I want to give you, and your friend I want to give. Right? You have some data. You want to give your data to your friend. What do you need? You need a network. What do you need? A network you need, right? If you have a
Yes,
network,
sir.
you have a connection between your computer and your friend computer. You can share data. You can share data. And if it is in a small distance, then we can say this is LAN network. But this is the
And
LAN network. Understood all?
yes, sir.
No confusion? So there are different kind
No.
of networking concepts. Now we have different networking concepts. If there is a small area network, then we can set up a LAN. Then we can set up a LAN. If we have a little bit big area, suppose in a city want to know, we want to share the information, then we can set up a metropolitan area network. We can set up a metropolitan area network. If we will want to share information among the country, suppose our data I want to share with the America, with the Australia, then which network you need to set? You need to set a WAN network. Which
One.
network? WAN
What?
network unit. So how many networks concept are there? How many networks we can set? LAN we can set, MAN we can set, WAN we can set, PAN we can set. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now PAN about we haven't discussed. So I am discussing about the PAN, personal area network. Suppose in your family there are in your family there are 100 people, and you want to share information among those you want to share information, and those information can't be accessed by the other one. Which network you want to set up? You want to set up a PAN network. Which network you will set up? A PAN network, right? Now why we are discussing this network? Because because suppose you want to set particular network in your home, those information you want to share with the person where you are going to purchase something. Suppose you want to set up a LAN, then you will go to the shop and you will say I want to set up a LAN. What is the tool we need to set up? Then accordingly they will give you the tool. Then they will give you a tool. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So first you need to
The
know
truth.
that which kind of network I want to set. I want to set with our computer. Which kind of network we want to set. Right? Understood all?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is networking? I think you got. I think you haven't any confusion, right? Now we have explained four kind of network. Those four kind of network yourself you will understand from the book. What are the LAN network? What is the MAN network? What is the WAN network? What is the PAN network? Yourself you need to read from the book. Understood? This is
Yes,
the
sir.
few I have explained. Now few are in your book, so those you will understand. Those example I have given in your book also, and those things you will not understand, you will comment on the classroom class. You will write something about this one. I will answer you. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And I will provide you some
Yes,
sheets
sir.
also. Answer, do the homework. Right. Even you will find any difficulty, you can write in a Google Classroom. You can share with me. Right.
Okay, sir.
Understood? I think there is no confusion with you, right? Understood all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, uh, this pictures, this LAN I am showing MAN, WAN, PAN. These are the kinds of network. These are the kinds of network, kinds of network. So you will know everyone. So what are the tools we can use with the LAN? What are the tools we can use with the MAN? What are the tools we can use with the WAN and PAN? This is all you will read from the book. This all you will read from the book. Understood?
Yes,
One
sir.
more class I will take on this one, networking, and that one will be the last class, and thereafter we will do the question answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even I will send you one video on this networking concept. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is the time? Can you
Okay, sir.
what is the time? Can you tell me?
10:28.
28. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you, sir.